Performance RC. Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in today. This video is going to be on the 27, the little small engine, the 27 that's modded up by TMR Performance, Alan Sestra. Go check him out. He is awesome at what he does. He has years and years of experience of small engines, and he knows exactly what he's doing here in this hobby. But this is just a quick little video of in the field. I just ran a tank through it the other day in a pretty muddy field. Just got her all cleaned up. Just doing some quick side shots. There's the Monster 32 in the background. More videos to come on that soon. I'm going to be doing some testing with some different gear ratios in this beast. But back here to the 27. Gearing on this is, if you remember from my last videos, I'm running a 1955 gearing. It's fine. This is how I'm going to keep it. Only new thing with this is I ditched the turtle racing setup. Thanks Jeff, Eastside RC. Me and him were working out some issues. I wanted to go back to Roven gearing so I could start using their gears. So this is all Roven clutch bell, clutch housing. The pinion gears are Roven pinion gear, and then I'm using the here it is, the 19 tooth, or not the 19 tooth, the 55 tooth spur from Roven. Let's see if I could get it on here. We were having some issues with this though, because we were using the clutch, not the clutch, the spur plate from Roven, and that's just a little bit off, which was making the lay shaft not line up perfectly with the bearing that's inside there, and it was causing some binding issues between the spur gear and the pinion. And Jeff, he finally figured out what was going on, and he was like, dude, just put the stock spur plate on it and problem solved. So Jeff, thanks buddy for that, for giving me that little help there, and I'm glad we got this figured out. But pretty basic, not much done up on this. I went with the red style on this. But yeah, so next couple clips will be running in the field. Again, just a quick short video. It was muddy, so didn't really want to run a whole couple tanks through, so I just did one tank. But thanks guys, enjoy the rest of the video.